This is a tutorial on how to install your HSP tail lock to your Mitsubishi Triton. These are the parts included with your tail lock. Please refer to your parts checklist in your installation manual. Install plastic striker to the actuator. Fit actuator to the provided bracket using the provided screws. Fit the metal tube to the plastic striker as shown. Remove tailgate cover. Remove the factory wiring cover on the side of the tailgate. Run the wiring through the rubber grommet and to the tail locking system. Remove the two indicated factory bolts. Attach the wiring loom to the actuator as shown. Line up the tail lock bracket into position between the tailgate inner skin and the factory cam and fasten with the factory bolts. Adjust the tail lock striker to sleeve over the handle lever. Run wiring loom through grommet on tub side as shown. Fasten the factory wiring cover back into position. Place tailgate cover back onto vehicle. Run wiring along the chassis of the vehicle to the passenger side of the cab. Carefully pull off interior panels. Carefully make an incision in the wiring grommet on the underside of the passenger side of the vehicle. Run the wiring loom to position. Disconnect indicated plug. Attach the provided tail lock patch wiring as shown. Plug wiring loom into tail lock patch. Apply sealant to the incision made underneath the vehicle. Cable tie wiring loom to factory wiring. Reinstall interior panels back into position. Now you have successfully installed your HSP tail lock to your Mitsubishi Triton.